Friends, this is Seema here back again from Paper Passions. I apologize that I have not been uploading videos in the last 1 or 2 weeks, and but I will be regular from now on. And today's feature continuing with our craft supplies video, DIY craft supplies videos. I'm sorry. So today we will be using making enamel dots. Now, enamel dots are very popular embellishments that can be used on any project to make them look really good. So, and they are these glass like 3D like stickers that you can stick on any projects, and they come in a variety of colors and shapes. So, right now, we will be using what the supplies that we are going to use is a hot glue gun, a butter paper or a wax paper, glue sticks, and nail paints. Now, what I've done here, as you can see, is I have my butter paper down taped to the table, and I'm just trying to make shapes on with my hot glue gun here. If you have a precision point on your hot glue gun, that really works much better because you can get much smaller circles. But this is what I had, so I will just show you with this. You can also make shapes with this hot glue gun and let it dry for a minute. It the hot glue gun dries very quick, and once it sets, it's you can remove it off from the paper. However, I prefer it not removing it before it's colored. So what I do is let the whole thing cover my entire paper in different shapes and sizes, as you can see here. And the next step for me is usually to take a paint of any of my choice, or if I'm doing a project, I'm making enamel dots for a particular project, I go ahead and choose the matching or coordinating or complementing color to that, and I go ahead and paint these dots that I have on my wax paper. It's easier because they are very small, so if I remove them, they will scatter, and it will be difficult to color them. So I just try to keep them where they are and then paint them, let the nail paint dry completely. Now, this nail paints are usually with a glossy finish, so it really covers it up and gives a nice finish to your enamel dots. You can, instead of nail paints, you could also go ahead and use alcoholic inks or alcohol inks. You can use alcohol markers to color these enamel dots, and you can see I am doing here. You can also make different chains, or what do you call, I'll show you in the end the kind of series of enamel dots joined together, so to make a nice embellishment. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please do like, subscribe, and to my channel. I would also like to let you know that ask you on fact that I would like suggestions on what kind of craft supplies you would like me to try in future. So please do leave it in the comments below. And until then, next time then, happy crafting. Have a great day. Bye bye.